Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be drawing my dad's favourite Mario Kart character, Donkey Kong. Right, so like most of my videos, I'm just going to start off by sketching it out really roughly. Don't worry if you go wrong, and using basic shapes just to get an idea where everything goes. Right, so this stage, because we're just using pencil, it's really good if you just really don't worry too much about if you're going wrong. Just, you can rub it out, go over the top, or sometimes I just tend to just keep drawing over the top of my lines if I go wrong. So when it comes to his fists and stuff, so I'm not drawing in the fingers yet, I'm just kind of doing like boxing glove shapes for his hands. So have a go and see what you can do. Okay, then I get out a little pen just to do some inking. And I'm just going to go over all the lines, looking at my reference picture, and just trying to make it look as close to the picture as possible. The more you do it, the easier it gets. And if you're having trouble getting the first bit right, I have got videos on how to do it. So you could trace it or break the picture down using your mobile phone, and that's a really good way to learn how to draw. If you're enjoying the videos, don't forget to hit a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of the content, and also hit the bell so you don't miss anything. His feet are a bit weird, so I've struggled a bit. Let me know how you did with his feet. Cool, so don't forget, hit like and subscribe. Bye!